Iberica, the portal of times. It's about bringing new life to this iconic cultural center in Mérida. The goal is to build an architectural bridge between the building's rich history and the lifestyle of the 21st century. To make this happen, I added three main spaces: a cultural corridor, a wellness center, a rehearsal studio, each designed with its own service area to make sure buildings run smoothly and efficiently. The design uses modern touches that respect the original structure. As you can see on the facade, I use a terracotta screen combined with chicone finishes, which honors our local craftsmanship. This screen acts like a second skin that lets the breeze in and soften the sunlight. It rethinks the traditional idea of a portal, giving users privacy without completely cutting them off from the street. Inside, the main theme is duality. I contrasted the raw look of exposed concrete with the texture of original walls. I also recognized the layout so that every path naturally leads towards the central plaza. You'll notice the skylights above. They create a rhythm of natural light that saves energy and makes walking through the building feel like a journey through time. Finally, the heart of the project is in the outer forum with its sharp geometric roof. It's a meeting spot surrounded by gardens that helps keep the cool area, along with spaces for pop-up shops that keeps the site active. Everything was built with eco-friendly materials and natural cooling methods. In short, the Portal of Time isn't just a restoration. It turns Iberica into a living, breathing part of Merida's identity.